Okay, guys, welcome back. This is Dropping Gems, and for today, we have a position that's remote. You can do it full time anywhere in the world for a remote product manager being offered by the company Credit Repair Cloud. Now, let's dig in. For the role, you will be a virtual part of their product development team, working closely with the development, design, customer success, and leadership teams to build fast, evolving, and unique products. You will be involved in all stages of product development and will have a realistic or real impact on delivering products that help their customers streamline their products to starting, running, and growing their business. For your responsibilities, you'll be fully understand Credit Repair Cloud's business strategy and work to deliver products with their unique mission and perspective in mind. Fully understand the customer's journey for first exposure and into an active paid user and beyond. Be a positive and encouraging voice for your customers according to their company culture code. Accountable for creating the end-to-end flow of features in all aspects of product management. You will closely work with a small team of you will closely work with a small team of UX, UI designs and engineering team to execute on this vision. You will collaborate with the engineering team and set goals to be in line with the scope of features or product design and to mitigate the risk of any bugs deployed into the production. Conducting market research analysis on competitors of various SaaS businesses should be able to create user stories with supporting documentation in order for the product owner and the development team to develop user stories and help define acceptance criteria. You will deliver world class software, analyze results for app changes, and suggest improvements. We are agile, fast-growing company, and this job description isn't meant to be a complete list for your qualifications or all the things you'll do, but to give you an idea of your daily work here at Credit Repair Cloud. For your requirements, you need 3+ years working as a full-time product manager in SaaS company delivering complex products. You need a good understanding of working with APIs, excellent verbal and written communication skills with proven experience in presenting ideas to key contributors throughout an organization, experience defining and helping develop new features, set for inceptions to launch, prior experience working with engineering teams and UI or UX designs, prior experience working with remote teams, and good understanding of agile methodologies in a Scrum environment. For benefits, you'll have health, vision, and dental benefits, 1500 equipment or home office allowance, a 401k company matcha plan, free credit monitoring, competitive salary, unlimited PTO, time off of when you need it. We trust you. Paid holidays, 3 weeks of paid parental leave, compassionate leave. You'll have flexible paid bereavement leave, medical leave, and natural disaster leave. Paid conference. We are big fans of continued good learning budget annual benefits, which include a budget for personal development, profit sharing bonus. We celebrate our hard work and success with monthly profit sharing distributions, purpose driven activities. We donate and participate in activities that promote giving and contributing to the good causes. Free access to nutrition, Logan fitness classes throughout Chosen Bright, employee wellness programs, unlimited meditation and mindfulness content through our premium membership and Insight Timer, fun perks and monthly activities, a comprehensive and paid onboarding process, the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, and some of these benefits apply to US based employees only. Now, at Credit Repair, Cloud is an equal opportunity employer and is committed to working with a diverse staff. They hire globally for talent and drive the value members by work deliverables and passion, no matter the race, color, creed, religion, gender identity, gender expression, national origin, citizenship, age, sex, sexual orientation, pregnancy, marital status, ancestry, physical and mental disability, military or veteran status, or any other characteristics protected by law. We are all equal here, and they encourage every talented and qualified person to apply in your application. Please feel free to note which pronouns you use. For example, she, her, hers, him, his, they, them, theirs, etc. This position may be performed remotely anywhere in the world and within the United States except for the state of Colorado. So if it is that you live in any part of the world, including the US, and you want to apply for this job, you can. However, if you're in the state of Colorado, you can't apply. That's the only exception. Otherwise, you can apply for this job. They've highlighted the benefits, they've highlighted your responsibilities and the requirements in order to get this position. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can apply. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll